Video. When your name come up, me shut it down.
Oh, that means she didn't know. Say over there then, Jayden.
You know who, my brother? Me shut it down. Enter your name come up, me shut it down. I don't know you. Don't draw my blood clot tongue.
TJ, me do TJ. 2 years she go on, me do something well bad.
Well, you know, I don't understand all of
Me
this.
still not understand what we do that woman.
No, I don't understand it. Overnight.
Well, that's why I ask you. That is why I come back
Bro,
and
me
ask
still
you
not understand what we do
how
that
far it
woman.
reach. Well, that's two sides to a story. Maybe when she got me, go ask her myself, you know. Me, you can ask her. Hopefully she will tell me.
Bro, me still not understand what, bro. But TJ, listen me now, bro. Listen me now, TJ. As a friend in a dog. Listen me now, bro. Listen, TJ. Listen, bro. TJ, when me I fall out, bro, you know, come to me, dog, and tell me what go on, bro. I'm say, alright, bro. Me I go fix that, bro. Me now that again. And me tell her what go on with me, bro. You see?
Yeah.
And up to today, we follow each other now. So who is you? Who is you, Fifi say? What me do you?
No, we can understand.
Because anybody fi black upon the app here a TJ. Anybody fi black upon the app here or whatever, bro. Or this me, bro, a TJ, bro.
Well, me the black, you know, remember that you did literally apologize half the year to pan the year half the year when you message me and tell me say, yo, bro, sorry about that or whatever. I will fix things. You see me? That's why I tell you say, and that I accept it because I had an idea. I know you're a troller and then you never go too deep and say certain things. You see me? You never say we are gonna do this to each other or whatever. We ever say, all right,
you never really drop my word from my man. You know,
no word me a drop, brother. But him and Shay never reach a part there where them are reach at that level they are check then dog for them are gonna do this right now. It just not say it can fix.
TJ, it can fix, yes.
And that's what I'm saying. I know. I just
leave me alone, dog. I'm gonna leave you alone, bro. Simple
as that. You see, Jayden problem now. Jayden, we can't know when he's serious because we see him and people not deal, and he will still talk to them and add them on the line.
That's summertime, brother.
So that's why I say today now. When Missy say she send me a request, I'm gonna ask him and say, yo, she send me a request, you know. You see, you say, yeah, man, Adar. When me do Adar, you never make up your face, you never do nothing feel kind of shady now. You just did it. And then she come and say, oh, yeah, TJ, I'm gone. You see me? So, I don't know. That's what I say. I never know say she couldn't know say you did it, but no, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know that. Because me things I've done it done now, you know, when I say she had send a request, you know. Is she a call?
No, I'm mad. What do you? I'm mad if you let me look friend.
Well, Jayden, let's go your way and she go fair way. Two and have on a separate.
So not that me do, TJ. Not that me do.
Yeah, then it can't done no dog. If you know, she go fair way and you go your way. You just
Love me alone, dog. Me not see you, brother. Love me alone, bro. Me not see you, brother. Me better do that, dog.
Even Shay, even got the man yard and look at thing the dog. I rate her for
bro,
true.
listen to me. TJ, listen to me now, dog. Bradman, nobody no come on my yard, brother.
No, me know that. Me know that.
TJ, me know how much. TJ, me know how long before all Shay.
Me know that,
dog. TJ, you ever come on my yard yet, brother? Jabba, you ever come on my yard yet, bro?
Me I tell you now, Jayden say chat. He really paranoid for true. So if Shay go over, him actually see Shay as a friend.
Badman, Shay knows I'm a paranoid too, brother.
I mean, I say she not have you as a friend to you know, dog. I mean, I say she not have you as a friend, you know. But that's why I tell you two on now, say on no, but I make it go too deep. As much as on it, I tell in the chat, as much as on see Jayden, he not really, he must really rate you, dog. He really have to really rate you. And pray up on a different level. You see me?
Badman. Badman, I know TJ and Jabba so long, and them never yet come on my yard yet.
But I could have come here if I want. What you mean?
I never yet come there, bro.
No, I never come there for sure. Jayden would all have certain gift and make them come here and see me. No, man, that's why me know you rate, dog. Me know you did rate Shay. Me know that for a fact. And me believe like what I say Shay did actually rate her.
And I did. Bad man up to still today, me still rate Shay, bro. Cause I
Say
advise
just,
them, bro. He advised them a Shay give me dog. Nobody else never yet give me that yet. Never yet, bro. Me can call Shay bro. Me can call Shay
no, me know.
anytime.
I true.
And Shay answer her phone, bro. Me can call Shay, bro. If me not get Shay, bro, me I go get Queenie. Me sure for your fact, bro. It's a sister love me depend dog, and a mother love.
TJ blow block me because I was asking for help. What do you think that I'll do right now?
If me down pa my face, dog, and me feel hurt, bro, and me have vent to the dog, and no one come bring it on the media, bro, me bring it then, bro. I don't want to feel like me have nothing over me, dog. Bring it then, brother. The cup over full now, bro. Bring it then, brother.
I don't want you to bring on a personal sit now.
Make the people them know how fuck up me be then.
That
Like me jump up right now, I don't give a
can't
fuck.
take them they bring them there, brother. We can't take them they who say from one. We can't take them they style like that, me know. So when I just tell Jayden, just control the anger.
Oh, every time when friend and friend a deal, I don't want to come chat what the people them say. So well on, I'm yellow say something. I don't forget something to say something too. Look, God. I feel a way, bro. You see, anytime I feel a way, dog, me go in a shade them go comment it. There was never a time when my company me that, bro, and at this shade, no time. Anytime I feel a way, bro. Anytime I feel a way, bro, me go in a shade inbox, bro. Listen to me. Give me a real reason. Give me a real reason why we fall out. Tell me now, because me know, you know. Them people don't know the truth, you know, because me know, you know. And because you can't come and tell the internet why we fall out, you know. Tell the internet why we fall out, no. Tell the internet why we fall out, no. Tell them. Don't pretty up, no. You say I have things to bust for me, bust it now. Boss it, no. And I make up my story for my darling. Cause facts make over here some chat. I'm tired of now bring them in here, bro. I'm tired of everybody want me show strength. I bring them in here, bro. I'm tired of it, bro. Me not tell you nothing, you know. Oh no, people not real to me, you know. No time, you know. The people must support me, you know, them real, you know. I go over here so and I talk off in the mouth. And if Shay if respond now, I go over there so I talk off in the mouth. Same way. Shay was my friend. But can't. Me come over here so and chat my friend, not there. Me, I come here so. Me, I come here so. I defend myself. Me not look no friend for nobody. Me, nah look no friend for no boy, no girl, no time. Me can't tame. Over here, so I say facts. And if Shay, if you bring me down right now, I will say facts. Brother, go look out to the mother too. Come no real, no time. Big up to the people that will come support me every day. Only no rate me, no time. But I bring down, darling. I bring down. If Uno can't bring me down, me can bring you down too. Because remember, I have a bigger platform down, you know. Remember, say, I'm a man over here, no dog. Don't feel like you're somebody in a youth. I mean, I be somebody, you know. Don't forget the strength of my goon, you know, dog. I mean, not talk about the strength of my goon, you know why? You know why I not talk about the strength of my goon, no? Because you not play ungrateful. So if you talk back what we do for no? Anytime somebody play ungrateful, dog, if you talk back up, we are defend ourselves. A reality. It's evident. I don't feel like we're not somebody now, so we can't cut off Jayden now. People know me, yes. before not chat, before not reason with Jayden, people know yes, but did you guys have a team before you met Jayden? No, me run where people from home and I say run, yo, go play a match. Now we go on his strength, yo. Why no really cup we are, bro? Tell them, no, man. Just admit the fact now. Why you pre me? Don't make it look like say Jabas make you pre me. Make them know, no, man.
And you keep on a babe like you want to sneak this me or you want to shade me.
Me a this a brawling, go suck your mother. Me a this a brawling, me not sneak this or no time. Anything you have for me, darling, you drop it. No! Make sure you approve with it. A brawling, this me no youth. I'm tell you what mind game where you come with. You see, mind game where them come with. Them come with the mind game to say, alright, make Jayden go talk first. So Jayden go look like a pussy. That them a do, bro. But two on no make one. You can't use no mind game for me. It start now. End it now. And don't feel like something I go reply back in a real life, you know. Me chat people, me chat everybody with you. All Jabas me chat with you too. Me chat everybody wanna chat with me too. Everybody. And Jabas know that. Everybody me chat with you now. Just chat off in the mouth now, because that's not good for. No mind give no bigger than me no time, you know. No time, I no mind give no bigger than me no time. Yeah, talk for talk. Bring down for bring down. So don't feel like someone have nothing upon me, you. If be the pan pillow right now, me a chat everybody on TikTok. If me have a girl in my bed right now, me a chat everybody on TikTok. Me a chat Vani, everybody. When you come to pillow talk, me a ram for chat off my mouth. Me is a chatterbox. When the front for run, me chat enough. In you, me no get no front. Me a chat out of my mouth, darling. Cause front, half a run. Do it now, man. Do it now, bro. This me now, bro. A long time I don't want this me now, dog. A long time I don't want this me now, bro. This me now, man. Me no business, bro. This me, dog. A long time I don't want to do it, dog. As you know, start this me. I laugh 500, darling. Cause me not take nothing serious. And right now, me, I don't no good, no time. And if somebody if you add me on the screen with it right now, me still go play match. Cause I'm a turn. Me come off to walk. Me not come off to look no friend. So, but when me take on off when me take on off a TikTok, bro, and me have no as friend, bro, me not expect for no to switch up on me no time. Me not expect, but a life. A life, bro. Me understand, bro. A life.
I remember you don't know nothing about me stinking boy. But just make you know say you don't know nothing about me. No.
Come like, you remember? You don't know about you. Darling, you come off a bring down. Me come off entertain, darling. Me see this a come long time. Remember say slime telling you, you know? Remember say slime telling you, you know? Me always 10 steps ahead. So I don't feel like so no have me, no can't control me. No time! No time, no can't control me, no day, no time. Me? Listen to me, bro. Me not cause no enemy for myself at Jamaica me there. You can't defend me. When bullet a fly, you can't stop that. When bullet a fly upon you can't stop that, youth. So if you turn enemy with everybody, well not enemy with not like nobody. Me not like nobody need that to, you know. But I work. Me come myself for work.